What's up, guys? Like I said in the video last week, this is one of my favorite kayaking spots here in Southern Oregon. It's relaxing, it's peaceful, it's super quiet, and when you get it deep into the canyon here, the walls just close in, and it feels like you're in Brazil or in the Amazon, or just something not Oregon. I mean, it's a forest, it's green, it's lush, it just looks incredible. I've hiked this trail 100 times over the last few years, and to be in the water looking that way, you get a completely different perspective. And yes, I don't always wear a hat, but when I do, it's got my logo on it. That didn't work. Whatever. So here's a good idea, a good picture that I like. The problem is I keep drifting. That's one of the challenges with the kayaks. There's a big log just sitting here. I keep drifting and changing the composition super fast. So I'm gonna adjust here, change my settings so I can shoot a little bit faster, and I lost it. I also wanted to take advantage of this video and introduce to you my new old camera. It's a little dusty. So I bought this a year ago, and I considered it my $1,000 mistake. It's a Canon EOS M6 Mark II. And it's a great little camera, but it just didn't work for my needs. So I sent it out and had it converted to infrared, and this is a game changer. This thing is crazy. How it sees, how it photographs, it's just incredible. So I'm gonna take a couple of pictures here. I'm still learning. I don't know much about it. When I'm a little bit more familiar, I'll make a video about infrared photography. I'm gonna show you some shots that I've done. I'm just playing around and practicing. So what I did is I sent it out to this company, and they removed the infrared blocking. They removed the IR filter. It's an infrared filter that cameras need to be able to capture visible light. So now it sees invisible light, and it's just more of an artistic way to get into photography one more time. You lose, after a while, you just kind of get stuck in a rut. And this has been a great move because it completely changes perspectives. And it's like a little kid in a candy store. You get excited about going and doing something again. Ooh, that's a great composition here. Let me see if I can get it. Come on. I think I got it. I had it converted to a full spectrum, and what this means is that you can see visible light and invisible light. And then I add a filter to shoot infrared. I could have had it completely converted just to infrared at a certain settings and stuff, but I want to use it for night photography. I bought a Sigma 1.4, I believe it is, and it looks like a great nighttime lens, but I'll show you more when I get some photos with it. This is just, you know, I'm excited. The pictures look awesome. If you're interested in infrared photography, I'll put a link of the website that I use. There's a link down in the description. It's a referral link. If you buy anything, I do get a commission, I want to be honest. But I don't know much about it yet. I will update you when I know a little bit more and make more videos about this whole process. These are old stumps that got flooded when they put the dam in, and now there's trees growing out of trees. And to be this close, this is something you don't see from the dam or from the hiking trail. The hiking trail's up there in the woods. You don't get to see this from over there, but to be this close, I got an idea for that tree. Let me see if I can get that composition. Alright, I gotta hurry up. I need a dark background, but I want to see the reflection. And my ripples from the water are going, so I need to hurry up. I am moving. Ah, I'm in the weeds. I'm in the weeds. I got too much camera gear. I don't want to crash. The reflection, the water, it just looks so cool. Now let me take this one. These stumps growing out of nowhere, this just looks so cool. The front of the kayak, the trees, that's, like I said, this brings me back to the beginnings. So I can see these dead logs and trees that are right below the surface here, and I'm almost dragging. I don't want to flip the kayak. I have way too much gear on me to go for a swim, but it's fine. I'm safe. Sometimes we get caught up in life and we always shoot the same things over and over again. Not only with the infrared, that's a complete game changer. But to be able to come out in a kayak and change the perspective of something that I've seen over and over again, and now I'm shooting from within the lake, that's something else. Every time we go out, we're not gonna get that best shot. Those take time. That one here is really good, actually. That's not something that just happens because we happen to be somewhere with our camera. We have to wait for the right lighting, the compositions. We're not gonna get those shots unless we go out. And this is just a reminder to go try something different. It might be scary at first. It might look intimidating, bringing your cameras and lenses and all your gear into a boat. Look at this tree here behind me. This is so cool how it just sticks up. So you have to be careful because sometimes you can't see all the way down the water with the shadows and light and stuff. And there might be a tree like that sticking up that might flip you. So you have to be a little bit more careful. So let me give you a quick tip here for kayaking. I used to bring my water bottle with me and it was a pain trying to hold the bottle. Now I bring my Teton Sports hydration pack, and this is super easy to drink. You can keep a lot of water in there. Oh, I can see fish down there. This is crazy. Anyway, it was a gift from a friend and I really do appreciate it. Thanks, Paul. This is awesome. I use this backpack for many things, and being able to bring it on the water and just drink out of this, it keeps the water cool because it's big enough you can put ice in there, and it just really simplified the, oh, there's a squirrel. It simplified the process for me. I also, if you're interested in water shoes, I've been using the Seekway water shoes that they gave me, and they're awesome. There's a link in the description. You can save 20%. They're good for hiking, kayaking, anything that gets wet. They dry up fast. They're easy to use. You put them on and walk. I mean, just like any other shoe, but they're comfortable. And they've been a game changer for kayaking and any of the videos I've been making around the water. So just putting out there what I bring when I go kayaking. It might save you some headaches or maybe give you a tip that you didn't realize. And if you have better tips, let me know because I'm learning. So last week when I was filming the 6 places to kayak near Crater Lake, I went to the Upper Klamath Canoe Trail, and I tried making a full video because I brought the 1-400 and I was taking pictures of birds, and I only saw 4 pelicans and 1 blue heron. So the pictures came out okay. They're not the best, they're not the worst. I'll show you those pictures here right now. But the whole time I was there, I tried making a full video and I just didn't have enough footage, and I just didn't want to make, the video wasn't going anywhere. It didn't have, I don't know, I wasn't happy with it, so I decided not to post it. I don't want to post videos just for the sake of posting them. I feel like I need to bring something to the community, even if it's a laugh, even if it's something, make you think in a way of something different, just something completely different. Today I am happy. I was able to introduce the infrared camera. I got some great shots that I want to compare and see side by side. I go out to make videos and take pictures for multiple reasons. First of all, I enjoy traveling. Stock photography is how I've done most of it, and everybody that's interested in stock videos, thank you for submitting images and getting more and more. It's just been an awesome experience to watch my channel just take off, and I really appreciate everybody that's subscribing and commenting and liking my videos, because that helps a lot. It's motivating, and it's because of you guys that I'm growing as fast as I am now, and I really do appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this change in pace. Being out, more relaxed, just enjoying nature from a different perspective. That's what photography is for me. It's just a reason to get out and explore. Just because we go out and we expect to get good shots, that doesn't mean we get them. I've filmed tons of videos that haven't made them to YouTube, and that's fine. Going out, having the experience, that's what I'm trying to do. That's what photography has allowed me to do. I can go out and film. If I don't get pictures for YouTube or videos for YouTube, I get videos and pictures for stock. Oh, that was a fish. That's so cool. That's awesome. But you're looking at me, so you didn't see the fish. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.